In this video, we'll learn how to configure virtual machine networking in the software-defined data center. And this is a really straightforward concept. So this is going to be one of our quicker lessons here that we do. But here's our hybrid cloud example again. So if you watched the last video, you probably are already familiar with this, where we have our on-premise data center and we've established maybe a direct connect into the software-defined data center on the VMware Cloud. And we have hybrid linked mode ready to go, and we've got our powered off virtual machine here. And we've established a network within the VMware Cloud on AWS. We've built a new logical network. This is really, really easy to do in the VMware Cloud on AWS. You simply just create a new logical network, you give it an address range, and you're ready to go. So we've got this VM that is currently on-premise here at the far left. And so we want to take this virtual machine and migrate it into the VMware Cloud on AWS. Now I can create a network anywhere from a slash 22 to slash 30. Right? Those are my options for CIDR ranges. It can be a relatively large network, go all the way up to slash 22. And so we established that network so that when I actually go ahead and cold migrate this virtual machine, and when I say cold migrate, I mean I power the VM off, and using hybrid linked mode, I migrate the VM into the VMware Cloud on AWS. Now I can just power the VM up and I can connect it to a logical network. And you'll see within the VMware Cloud on AWS, you can simply go to your logical networks and either detach or attach virtual machines right there. Right? So if you know, hey, I've got this new VM, I want to connect it to this logical network, you just go to the logical network and choose to attach a virtual machine. Then you can choose the VM that you want to attach to it. So again, it's a really straightforward process. But the main thing is, if you're going to start cold migrating VMs, you want to make sure that you have your network ready to go inside the VMware Cloud on AWS first. And then you can start moving them in and attaching them to the appropriate networks.